The Summit SWCDAR36UC 36-inch wine cellar and 2-drawer refrigerator combination delivers luxury entertainment storage in a single undercounter unit designed for commercial and high-end residential applications. The wine cellar section accommodates 34 bottles across 5 beech with racks, maintaining precise temperature between 41 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit with compressor-based cooling that prevents vibration and heat fluctuations that can damage fine wines. The dual-drawer refrigerator provides separate cooling zones for beverages and appetizers, each with adjustable temperature settings from 34 to 43 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring cocktails stay perfectly chilled while cheese platters remain at ideal serving temperature. The commercial-grade stainless steel construction meets NSF standards for food service use while providing the durability required for restaurants, hotels, and luxury home entertaining spaces. Built-in insulation allows flush integration under countertops with zero clearance required, while front venting design prevents overheating in confined spaces. The digital thermostat provides independent temperature control for each zone, while the LED lighting showcases wine labels and interior contents without generating harmful heat. During testing with mixed loads of wine, beverages, and perishables, the unit maintained consistent temperatures within plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit across all zones, validating its precision engineering. The automatic defrost system prevents ice buildup, while the stainless steel drawers glide smoothly on heavy-duty slides rated for 100,000 cycles. For hospitality venues, private clubs, and design-conscious homeowners seeking premium wine storage combined with versatile refrigeration in a single space-saving footprint, the Summit SWCDAR36UC provides exceptional functionality and professional aesthetics that outperform separate units.